this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use a USB device on your Android TV. So the first thing you want to do is just simply plug it in on the back, just like this. And when you plug it in, you're going to see a pop-up. You're going to see a pop-up in the top right under these notification settings, and just simply hold down on the remote, and you'll see a pop-up that says press and hold the home button. So let's make sure this is plugged in. And I have it plugged in on the wrong spot. There we go. Now this is going to pop up. Hold down the home button. And it should bring us to this menu where we can scroll on down. And we can go on over to Issues with Vendor USB. We can just select this pops up for me. And we want to set up as USB storage device, or we can browse it under here too. So it should be easy to just view it. So I'm going to set up as storage device, format as device storage. You can transfer stuff to this and use it as, as something for your apps and stuff. Otherwise, you can just view it. So if you want to view it, you can. Another way that you could try viewing it, if you have information on there, you can download the VLC player. So we can just go up to the top and go to search and type in VLC, and this will allow you to see any kind of like USB storage devices you have plugged in as well. Now just a heads up, if you have format, I think NTFS, Android devices don't recognize that, so it has to be exFAT. So let me lower the voice down, it's talking to me, and then we should be able to see our USB stick in here. So I got internal memory. I don't have anything popping up on here right now. I think there's an issue with my USB device, so it wants me to format it. But I can also go up to settings right here, scroll on down to where it says system, go to the right, and we can see storage. So here's my USB device. It's in here, but it looks like there's an issue with it. It's not showing up. It just says eject. So I might set this up as storage and then go from there. So I can just unplug it and plug it back in. So let's do that now. And then it's going to pop up as a notification now. Hold down the home button and we can just go on down to it. So it says it's corrupt right here. So I might have to just format this on my computer. And then I should be able to just set up on here. So let me just format on here. And then I can at least use this for apps and stuff. So don't format it on your TV if you are trying to view your photos or something on there. But get the VLC player, and you should be able to find your apps specifically on there. I mean your pictures, your videos, everything from your USB device on there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.